Hello and welcome to my channel. Have a look at the quality of the picture of this camera that I have been sent. It's absolutely beautiful. On the front, 4K. Beautiful, clear picture. Here's the back, exact same thing. Front again, this man overtaking me, or woman, whatever it was. And off they go on a continuous white line and a dangerous bends. Usually there's a speed camera sitting just about there on the right. It says there, so obviously he doesn't really care about that. You can see on the road where it said slow. The image is just amazing. The image quality is beautiful in this camera. I have it about 3 months and I had been asked to do a video of the installation of the camera, and they would send me one out for free. So they sent me out this camera and it's front and back camera, which is so easy to install. When I tell you how easy it was absolutely simple. You can get any make, any model. If you don't see the make or model on the website at mangoaltech.com, well, all you have to do is contact the support, and then they will get you to upload a picture of the rear view mirror of your car. So you take a few shots to the left of it, to the right of it, and straight on, and get a good shots of it, and then send it to them, and they'll have the exact camera to fit your car. And then installing it is just like I just said a second ago. It's absolutely simple. I will leave a description below of the video and the installation of it. One person did ask in the video, does it drain the battery when it's on? The answer is no, it doesn't. What happens is it stays recording for as long as you want to set it for, and it will go off. But like, there's sensors on it. If anything hits it, tips it, someone jumps in it or car bumps into it, it triggers on, because it's connected directly into the OBD port. And for those of you who don't know what that is, mechanics plug in their computers to diagnose your car, and it gets plugged into that, and that's how simple it is. It's plugged directly in. Otherwise, you have to hardwire it into the fuse system, which is like just such messing and nonsense. This is simple. You just plug it in. That's the end of it. Bye-bye. But as regarding the fitting of it, it's just child's play. Really is. So anyway, that's my video for today. Please give it a thumbs up. Please leave a comment. Please share. Please enjoy the video. And if you're looking for a camera of this quality at a very, very good price, in the link below there will be a 10% discount link. And please enjoy.